Need to hide your story from specific people on Instagram? Then you're on the right video. Today I'm gonna guide you with a step-by-step process on how you can easily hide people on an Instagram story. First thing first, move into your application Instagram, into your login credentials and make sure you are logged in into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Once you're in this page, head over to your profile. Once you're inside your profile, click on this three-dot icon at the top right corner. In this page, you need to scroll down and in the section of Who Can See Your Content, head over to Story and Location. Once you're in this section, click on Hide Story From. Right here you can see I have hide the story from many people. If you want to unhide it, you can simply undo this. Once done, let's say you want to hide this person only, then click on the circle icon and click on Done. Simply wait for a while for it to load. And there you go. You have hide their story from this person. Now whenever you upload any of the story on Instagram, this person will not be able to view it. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.